How to show the Samsung Internet address bar at bottom or at the top on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Then tap on the menu key at the bottom in the navigation bar down here. Then we tap on Settings. In Internet Settings, go down and tap on Layout and Menus. Then tap on Show Address Bar at bottom. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once it is turned on, the address bar will be moved to the bottom of the screen, as you can see right here. We can move it to the top. So here I will go into the menu and go into Settings and go into Layout and Menu and switch it off, and this will now move the address bar back to the top of the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.